Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I'm going to just give you a quick heads up. Shout out to the man like Steve and Dave for showing me this bit of software. There's a bit of software called Disk Ripper, and I'm using this to archive some of my old files from Amiga. It's just another tool when you've got disks that don't want to load properly. Now, the whole idea behind that is that you put the disk in and it scans it. You set the amount of times you need the sectors to scan for. I'm not an expert at the program, I literally just got it, but you set how many times you want it to sort of double check to see if it has to rescan to see, because sometimes the first time you try it it's not successful, the second time it tries to read, or a third or fourth it might get a go. But obviously depending on how high you set that, the longer the disk will take to read. And as you can see here, the disk ripper's ripping a disk, currently ripping a disk at the moment. And if you look carefully, you'll see on this side, it's marking all the bad sectors there, and it's imaging all of the good sectors. I'm not sure how far it is. Look, here we go. Look, it says 33%. So far it's found 37 bad sectors, and it's creating an ADF file. And obviously once that ADF file is created, then I guess I can mount it somehow on my Amiga. So that's the plan, guys. It is finding some good discs. I'm not sure how well it works versus my normal F disk or using my other technique. Here, it's cleared all the errors now. Now it's moving pretty quickly. So it is looking quite good, Stephen. I know the last time I tried it, it wasn't very successful, and I did get back to you and say no, it wasn't working. But look, it seems to be working okay now, guys. And that's what I want to hear. I always want to hear from people in the Amiga community that always want to share their tips and stuff. So, you know, because at the end of the day, this channel is a platform for, you know, knowledge and stuff. It's 97% complete, so things are looking good on it. So, guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel. I see a lot of views. You know, just smash that like button right now. At least give me a like or subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. And you'd really be helping me out to build the channel. Let me know we're doing something right. So going back to this now, it's now 97%. Still reading the disc. 98. Stuck on 98. Oh, it's struggling in the old 98, man. See, this is the thing I don't really like about it. When it's sort of hammering the disc like that, I know if it does this too long, you end up with these marks on the disc, which is not what I really want. Okay, this is getting kind of scary now because it's been stuck in it a bit too long. I remember one time I put a disc in Omniflop and I left it scanning the disc, and it was just kept on going all night long. And when I got the disc back in the end, the disc was just knackered. It was unusable. No, you couldn't salvage no more. As you can see, it's hammering. It's still stuck on 98. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to let it run its course now, and I just hope it doesn't kill my disc, because that is the only copy I've got of that disc.